You won't believe how many people use these apps daily without understanding the real differences. The surprising truth about Venmo versus Apple Pay is that they serve similar goals, but work very differently. Venmo is mainly a peer-to-peer payment app. It's designed for sending money to friends, splitting bills, and casual transactions. You can connect your bank account or debit card and transfer money instantly. Venmo also has a social feed where users can see payment activity, though amounts can be hidden. Apple Pay, on the other hand, is a digital wallet. It allows you to store debit and credit cards on your phone and pay in stores, apps, and websites using Face ID or Touch ID. It's more focused on secure retail payments than social transfers. In terms of speed, both are fast. Venmo transfers between users are instant. Apple Pay transactions happen in seconds at checkout terminals. Security is where Apple Pay stands out. Apple Pay uses tokenization, meaning your real card number is never shared with merchants. Venmo is secure too, but it relies more on traditional account protection like PINs and passwords. Fees are another key difference. Venmo charges fees for instant transfers and credit card payments. Apple Pay usually has no extra fees for consumers, as long as your bank doesn't charge them. Most people get this wrong by comparing them directly. Venmo is better for sending money to people. Apple Pay is better for paying businesses securely. If you often split rent, dinners, or group expenses, Venmo feels more natural. If you shop frequently and want fast, secure payments, Apple Pay is more useful. In conclusion, neither is objectively better. They solve different problems. The best choice depends on whether your main need is social payments or secure shopping. Subscribe for more tech comparisons that save you time and money.